Welcome to Day 17 of Wisdom Academy AI, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled AI guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ever wondered how AI recognizes faces or objects in photos? Today we're diving into convolutional neural networks, CNNs, the magic behind image recognition. Sophia's here to make it unforgettable with a demo. Over to you, Sophia. CNNs are our star today, and I'm so excited. Convolutional neural networks are deep learning models for image processing. They detect patterns like edges and textures, excelling in tasks like classification and object detection. Inspired by the human visual system, CNNs are a magical leap in AI vision. Get ready to be amazed by their power. Let's dive deeper. Why use CNNs? I'm so thrilled to share. They process images efficiently, reducing parameters compared to standard networks. CNNs learn hierarchical features, from edges to complex objects, and outperform traditional methods in vision tasks. For example, they power object detection in self-driving cars. This is AI vision at its finest. Let's see why they're so magical. Let's see how CNNs work. It's magical. The input is an image, represented as pixel numbers. Convolution detects features like edges, creating feature maps. Pooling reduces their size while keeping key features, and fully connected layers make predictions. This pipeline transforms images into insights. I'm so excited to break it down. Training CNNs is fascinating. The forward pass sends images through layers to predict. We calculate loss by comparing predictions to actual labels. Backpropagation adjusts weights, and gradient descent optimizes them. This process crafts powerful models. I'm so excited to train one. CNNs transform the world. They power image recognition in self-driving cars and detect tumors in medical scans. Facial recognition enhances security, and object detection aids robotics. These applications change lives. I'm so inspired by CNNs. That's a wrap for Day 17, my amazing wizards. I'm Anastasia, and I'm so grateful you joined us to explore CNNs. It's been a magical journey. You're true wizards for diving into image recognition. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lessons. Tomorrow, we'll explore recurrent neural networks, and guess what? 2 new wizards will join us to spark even more curiosity.